Now let's talk about HTML page title. Every web page should have a title because it tells users what the page is all about. I get it now. Like for instance, when someone comes to my HTML browser, what they'll be seeing is what HTML comment, and they say, okay, this is browser is for HTML comment. Let's take a look at another one, for instance. Now this is the title here. Detailed guide, best chatbot front-end framework. I get it. So when someone sees, they know, okay, this is what this web page is what is all about. In HTML, we use something called the title element to set the. It's written like this. You might have seen this before, but let's just go right again. So the title tag, I get it. Then you close it. Don't forget to close every tag that has a closing tag. So the title, let's just call it HTML page title. Then close the title tag. And let's go to our browser. So I want to show you something. If you do not have a title tag, if you do not have a title tag, default title tag that will be there is the name of the document. So what name of our document? play.html. I guess now it's necessary to add that your title. So you can give the users what a title for them to hold on to. You understand? That's it. And let's get back to work. Now, where does the title actually show? It appears in the browsers tab. That's right at the top right here. Right at the top. When you open a website, the name you see on the tab, that's coming from what? That's coming from the title element. Let's take this for instance. Field guide, best chatbot, best chatbots. Oh, I want to see that. Just come right click first. Show the title. Let's locate the title. Ah, title. You can see it. Detailed guide, best chatbot framework hyphen inc. That's the title in this browser. You understand? So that's just what I'm just trying to explain to you. But the title is not just for display, it's also very important for something like SEO, search engine optimization, which means search engine optimization. The search engines like Google use your page title to understand what your page is about and to decide how to rank it in what search results. So the title also has a few important uses. It defines the name shown in the browser toolbar. It becomes the name when someone bookmarks your page. If I should bookmark this, right? Bookmark is here. If I should bookmark this page, the name would automatically what become the word bookmark name. Let's save it. Done. I want to go back to my bookmark. You can see it. HTML page title. And it's what people see when your site appears in search results. What makes a good title? A good title should be clear, accurate, and what meaningful. For instance, HTML page title, it's accurate. Okay, this browser is talking about what HTML page title. It should describe exactly what the page contains. For example, instead of writing something vague like home, you can write something more specific like HTML tutorial for beginners. You get it? Except if it's actually the home of your word of your page. Okay, so now so in summary, the title element defines your page name, it appears in the browser's tab and helps with what SEO. And should always be clear and descriptive. So if you have any question, you want to drop